Okay. Hey guys, got a little service call here. This is that unit that was all flooded back a while back. I figured it died, but I don't know. Thinking low on refrigerant. It's not running. Hopefully that's all it is. We'll have to see. I should have thrown my testos in my little come up and check them out bag. So we'll see. I'm thinking everything's cold. We got no. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we can. I don't know. That looks like it's pulled in. Huh. When are we off on the clock? So I got a condenser fan. I think it's okay. Cold compressor. Looking like we're pulled in here. I'm gonna check for power. Maybe because we've had well, it quit yesterday, so maybe it did quit. Let's see if this is the crazy mess place. We got the cook line, chef cook line right here. Let's see what I got in here. That wire's kind of hanging out. Let me get my little quickie, see if there's a, didn't bring my, should have threw my voltmeter in here. I gotta buy another voltmeter. Put it in my quickie test bag. So let's see what I got here. Okay, we got juice at the top, nothing at the bottom. Okay, well it's off. Okay. All right, we got juice at the bottom. Well, I'll have to check it with a meter, but might be time clock. I'll have to get a meter, see what's going on. Hey guys, so it seems like we've got power all over the place here. Look at that, we got a burned off wire in that box. Let's see how good I am. I'm gonna turn off the power and open that box up. Okay, so I don't know what you'd call it, but I think I was pretty close. Maybe not. I won't say I'm totally right on what it was, but so what looks like I'm thinking happened. I bet you we gotta have a bad fuse. Something happened. We got something blown. We got a rub out right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a wire right here. I'm thinking it's got to be the problem. It's I don't know if you can see it, but rubbed through right there. Right, this white wire right there, that got us shorted. It's got to be 230 volt compressor. But I bet you money one of those fuses is blown, and that green lead thing of mine is just too sensitive. It senses the power from like 6 inches away. So that's the only flaw with it. too sensitive, but yeah, it's 208, 230. So we lost a leg on that fuse. Bet your money, gotta be it. So that's what happens when you Mickey Mouse stuff, guys. For you new guys out there, this is like HVACR videos. I was watching this video the other day, and he had a rub out on that walk-in cooler evaporator. The guys just where the Romex connector backed itself off or whatever. So it's rub out week for us guys. So I gotta go get a fuse, my tool bag, my proper tool bag, now that I kind of know where I'm looking at. And that hopefully should be it. That would be cool. But man, I want to check that capacitor while I got it open. 330. Just see what it is. Okay, well, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool find. Day before Thanksgiving. Emergency. All right, let me get into it. All right. Nice little find. Looks like a short out. Short out to the box. Okay. So, looks like a little bit of black there. Have to see. That's what it looks like. Probably blown fuse. Bad wire. Gotta fix that. That's Mickey Mouse. You can't go through. Shouldn't put wires through there like that. So I have to see if I can't fix that up a bit. Oh, she's up and running. Got that wire repaired. I gotta go get some parts. I want to put this conduit, this piece of 3/4, into this KO inside of this box. Put that conduit back up into there, and then come out of here and go into here. So that's pretty close. So I gotta do 1/2 inch, 90 into there, and see what I can do into there. Alright. So at least she's going right now. This is what happens when you don't see the rub out. It almost happened on the bottom. See the bottom of the low pressure control? But where the condenser fan motor wire, you can maybe see the condenser fan motor wire where it started to rub out right there against that. So that's what happens when you don't wire tie up your wires, or you let them lay and rub a hole and stuff down there at the bottom. Down there at the low pressure control. Focus. But you can see it's all shiny. Right where the spring comes out of the low pressure control right there. That was where the wire was rubbing. So this is quiet now. It's going, but we just gotta redo. Gotta go get a couple. Gotta go get a Romex, 3/4 Romex fitting for here. And I can wire that in direct, cut it back a little ways, and then fix this problem. if I can clean up these blue wires. These are both a couple of blue wires going in to this clock. So let's get these on here. Get this in there. Yeah, I just don't know why somebody just didn't do that, just like what I did. Just put the connector in there and hook the wires in direct. I mean, there's lots of cable, lots of wires, lots of wire. Only took me like 15 minutes, like, to redo it. So maybe not even that. So, anyways, okay, that's done. Now for the other white wire, I redo those. Okay, it's all done. You got the main power coming in on the red, 2 reds are your main power coming in. Main line hooked that up with the Romex connector, with the flex connector, and then did another connector out of the clock, 1/2-inch KOs into the box for the clock, and then condenser fan did out here, so they aren't going through the hole in the bottom here. That's, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can get it on film for you. Burned out hole where they shorted to. Possible. Left side there. Now we're trying to get smoked. They just had the wires going through a rolled over hole. So anyways, so now it's all done with connectors. So damn phone won't focus. Come on. There we go. Okay. Old 414B system. R12 alternative refrigerant. 414B was good stuff. So we're all hopefully going okay. That's it. Got the piece of paper to go in. That came out nice. Everything came out pretty nice. So, yeah, all done. Okay. See if that helps at all. Anyways, she's going.